Exterior painting is something that you can do yourself. Let us help. First, calculate how much paint is needed by multiplying the building's perimeter by its height. You can subtract the areas of doors, windows, and other surfaces where paint won't be applied. Start prepping the exterior surface by removing any debris that may prevent the paint from adhering. Chip away old paint that's flaking off and smooth any uneven surfaces. Use painter's tape and plastic to protect doors, windows, and other areas that you don't want painted. A trim brush can be used to outline around areas that are too tight for a paint roller to get into. You can also use a trim brush for getting in narrow spaces or cutting in corners. A paint roller applies paint evenly and is a great way to cover the area much faster. Use an extension pole to get to hard to reach areas and for better control. Using a paint sprayer is excellent for applying a smooth finished coat. This method works efficiently if the prep work of protecting non-painted surfaces is done properly. Finish off your project by adding an accent color on trim work around doors and windows. And there you have it. Easily take on painting your home's exterior with help from Menards.